You guys are watching the Ashau Valley story. This is the location of Ashau Valley. It's located in Marikina. Okay, I'm on just in the field right now. Before the game starts, trying to take a look around. Alright, so it's a nice place. It's kind of scary, but it's good. Okay, it's my first time to be around the field. Okay, it's a nice place to hide. Okay, so I guess you guys have watched everything now, and you've seen all. Okay, I'm about to go back. Going back now. Okay, I'm almost there. Hey, nice car. Oh, nice car. Okay. Okay. I made my way around. Going out. By the way, that's the American flag.